Amideya, I welcome you all in Master Amideya classes. Today we are going to do chapter number 2, relation of class 11th mathematics. It is a very good question and very good chapter, or you can say that function and relation is a comer of mathematics. So to understand the relations and function, first we have to understand the order pairs. So first of all, I am going to define the ordered pair. What do you mean by the ordered pair? So ordered pair consists of the two elements A and B. It means there are two elements A and B, and the A elements, these two elements are joined with each other with a fixed order. It means the relationship between A and B is a fixed order. इनके अंदर कुछ फिक्स रिलेशनशिप होता है. जैसे मैं कहता हूँ कि जी A इज इक्वल टू बी प्लस टू. ए क्या है? बी प्लस टू है. तो एक फिक्स ऑर्डर के तहत ये रखे गए हैं. एंड ए एंड बी बिलोंग्स टू द नेचुरल नंबर्स. ए एंड बी बिलोंग्स टू द नेचुरल नंबर्स. अगर ए और बी बिलोंग्स टू नेचुरल नंबर हैं तो ए और बी का जो ऑर्डर बना, जो ऑर्डर पेयर बना, वो क्या बनेगा हम यहाँ से बताएंगे. ऑर्डर पेयर मीन्स क्या है? इट consists of two elements or two objects, or two objects which are joined or with a fixed order, with a fixed rule. You can say rule or order. So this is called the order pair. So I hope you understood this. This is a we can say that order pair. नेक्स्ट आता है हमारे पास कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट. दिस ऑर्डर pair belongs to the set A and B. It means A set belongs to A and B belongs to the set B. A and B are here. A and B are two non-empty sets. They are two non-empty sets. Now we will discuss about the Cartesian product of two non-empty sets. So I hope you understood this. Now Cartesian product. How you are going to understand this? Cartesian product means product of two non-empty sets. It means let A and B are two non-empty sets. These are non-empty sets such that क्या है कि A के अंदर हमने एलिमेंट्स ड्रॉ किए कि 1, 2 and 3, and B, another set B, which are having elements 4 and 5. There are two sets. A is containing 3 elements, B is containing the 2 elements. 1, 2, 3 are the elements of the A, and B, 4 and 5 are the elements of the set B. Now Cartesian product means A cross B. It means A cross B का मतलब क्या है कि all the element of A multiply with all the element of B. कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट मीन्स ए के जितने भी एलिमेंट हैं, ऑल द एलिमेंट ऑफ द सेट ए मस्ट बी मल्टीप्लाई विद द ऑल द एलिमेंट ऑफ द सेट बी. सपोज इसका वन एलिमेंट है, वन किससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा, 4 से भी, और मल्टीप्लाई होगा किससे, 5 से भी. सो A क्रॉस B इज ए सेट ऑफ ऑल ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स. इट मीन्स क्या है, A क्रॉस B क्या है, इट इज द ऑल सेट ऑफ ऑल ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स A to B, like 1 4 1 5. One element is multiplied with 1 4 and 5. Now 2 is multiplied with 2 4 and 2 5. Another element 3 is 3 4 and 3 5. This is the Cartesian product or cross product of set A and set B. Means फिर से समझें, A सेट के जितने भी एलिमेंट हैं वो B सेट के सभी एलिमेंट से मल्टीप्लाई होंगे. देन A एलिमेंट 1 मल्टीप्लाई विद 4, 1 मल्टीप्लाई विद 5, 2 मल्टीप्लाई विद 4, 3 मल्टीप्लाई विद 4 एंड 3 मल्टीप्लाई विद 5. सो हाउ मेनी ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स आर देयर, how many ordered pairs are there in the A cross B? There are total number of sets 3, sorry element 3, and there are, and you can see that in the cross product there are 1 2 3 4 5 6, there are 6 elements. So number of elements in the A cross B is equal to M cross N. If M is 3, then is 2, then equals to 6. Yes or no? Are you getting or not? यहाँ 4 होते, यहाँ 3 होते, तो 4 3s are 12. There are thus 12 elements in this chapter 2 relation, class 11th mathematics, and one of the most important questions on the relation. That question is, a relation R is defined on the set Z. Z means integers of integers, such that xy belongs to the relation if and only if x square plus y square is equal to 25, x plus R and R inverse. A relation find out करना है, what are the ordered pairs or the sets of the relation and what is the R inverse. तो क्या R इनवर्स हो सकती हैं वो हमें फाइंड आउट करके बताना है. सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डू, क्या समझने की ज़रूरत है हमें, एक रिलेशन दे रखा है R और एक्स वाई रिलेशन R से बिलोंग करते हैं कब, इफ़ एंड ओनली वो इस कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करें. तो इफ़ दे आर सेटिस्फाइंग द इक्वेशन, दिस इक्वेशन, देन द सेट ऑफ ऑर्डर्ड पेयर बिलोंग्स टू द रिलेशन R. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट वी विल गो फॉर द ordered pairs. What are the ordered pairs? So x square plus y square is equal to 25. X square plus y square is equal to 25. Find the y here. It can be implies that y square is equal to 25 minus x square, and we can write here y square is equal to under the root 25 minus x square. Now this is an equation y in terms of x, where you can find out the values of y when we are having the values of x. X belongs to the integers, so you can input here value of integer and such value that we can able to find out the y value. Suppose that if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to under the root 25 minus 0. That gives y is equal to plus minus 5. I hope you understood this. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 25 minus 0, then y is equal to plus minus 5. The one ordered pair is 0 plus 5 and another is 0 minus 5. X element is written first and the second element is written y on the second place. Got it? Now if x is equal to 1, then 25 minus 1 24, that is under root 24, that is not a integer, so we can't take the x is equal to 2. So we are going to take x is equal to 3. then y is equal to under the root 25 minus 9, that gives the y is equal to plus minus 4. It means x is 3 and 4 and 3 minus 4. I hope you understood this. If x is equal to 4, then y is equal to, we are having under the root 25 minus 16, that gives y is equal to plus minus 3. So we can say that y4, x4 and 3 and 4 minus 3. Next is, if you are having x is equal to 5, then y is equal to 25 minus 25, it means y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. So you can take here 5 and 0. 5 and 0. I hope you understood this. There are 5 and 0, and you can take here, if you are having the negative values here, these are the positive value. Try to understand, these are the positive value. If you are taking the y, x is minus 3, then also this equation is come. Then the another ordered pair is minus 3 4 minus 3 minus 4. Got it or not? If you are having first plus and minus, then plus and minus, minus 4, then same value, and the ordered pair you can write here minus 4 3 minus 4 minus 3, and this is 5 and 0, and you can go for the minus 5, then minus 5 and 0. Yes or no? So relation is what? Relation is a set of all ordered pairs. It means set of all ordered pairs means 0 5 0 minus 5 3 4 3 minus 4 minus 3 4 minus 3 minus 4 4 3 4 minus 3 minus 4 3 minus 4 minus 3 5 0 minus 5 0. That is the set of these ordered pairs is known as the relation. Is known as the relation. So we can write here the relation. So I hope you understood this. So I am going to rub this. So now the relation R can be written as, R is a set of 1 0 5 0 minus 5 3 4 3 minus 4 minus 3 4 minus 3 minus 4 4 3 4 minus 3 minus 4 3 minus 4 minus 3 5 0 and minus 5 0. So this is known as the relation R. This is called the relation R. Yes or no? Now we have to find out the R inverse. R inverse means क्या होता है? जो हमारे पास AB था, AB को हम क्या बना दें? DA. That is the R inverse. So R inverse can be the what? 0 5 can be written as 0 5. 0 5 can be changed 5 0. This 0 minus 5 can be changed minus 5 0. This 4 minus 4 3. This is minus 4 3. This is 4 minus 3. This is minus 4 minus 3 and 3 4. Next minus 3 4. The next 3 minus 4. Next minus 3 minus 4 and 0 5 and 0 minus 5. This is known as the relation R inverse. I hope you understood this. कि relation R inverse कैसे निकाला जाता है? Whatever relation is there, then A and B, then convert into BA. BA के order pair में बना दें तो we'll get the R inverse. So if you want to find out the domain, If you want to find out the domain, domain is the first element of the ordered pair. Domain is the 0. So domain is 0, 0 here, then 3, 3, then minus 3, minus 3, then minus 3, then 4, then minus 4, and then 5, and then minus 5. So this is the domain. What should be the range? Here, what should be the range? A range is y element. Y element in the ordered pair is the range. So range is a range. A range can be written as 5, minus 5, 4, minus 4, 4 already written, minus 4 already written, 3, minus 3, and 3 minus 3 is 0 and 0. So this is the range of this function. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you are having any query about this question, so you can give me suggestion in the comment box, and please like my channel, that Master Amit Daya classes. Thank you. Have a good day.